I'm Margie, and today we're going to do a family recipe called pasties. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is gather all your ingredients and all the necessary tools for this recipe.
Some of the things you'll need is a knife, potato peeler, cutting board, and you'll want to have about 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes. You'll need a white onion, and you'll probably want to dice up about 1/3 to 1/2 cup. Then you'll need about 5 to 10 baby carrots for this recipe. For seasonings, you'll need seasoned salt, black pepper, and parsley. You'll need flour to keep the dough from sticking. You can use unbleached white or whole wheat. For the crust, I highly recommend veggie Crocker pie crust mix. It's real easy to mix, and it's a perfect consistency for this particular recipe. You'll also need about 1 pound or so of lean ground beef. For making the dough, you'll need a rolling pin and a pastry cloth. Also, you'll need a fork and a knife. Parchment paper is the best thing that you could use to prevent sticking and burning. You'll also need a couple of measuring cups. Get 1/3 cup that you'll need for your dough, and then 1/2 cup just to use as a scoop for flour for your pastry cloth. You'll also need butter. Finally, you'll need 2 bowls, a large bowl and a small bowl. Now you're ready to begin.
First, you'll want to peel your potatoes. Then you'll want to cut them into little slices at first.
And then you'll want to dice them into small pieces like so.
Okay, you want to cut your onions into little fine pieces like so.
Then add your chopped onions to the veggie mixture. Next, you'll want to cut up your carrots so they're really tiny, just about this size.
Okay, now what you want to do is add your seasoning. I've got seasoned salt, pepper, and parsley.
So first of all, you'll want to sprinkle your pepper, and just be careful because fine pepper comes out quickly. And then you want to add your seasoned salt. And be careful, the holes are really big, so shake it. You can be generous, but not overly salty. And then you want to finish off with some parsley. Now the parsley has a more hard time coming out of the holes, so give it a good vigorous shake, and that way you get ample amount of parsley out onto your veggie mixture. Next, grab your trusty spoon and stir it so that all those delicious seasonings can be all over your veggies.
When you add the meat to the mixture, what you'll want to do is crumble it, like so.
And as you crumble the ground beef into the veggie mixture, make sure to break apart all the big pieces so that they will be bite-sized and more around the size of your veggies. Now, this particular recipe calls for ground beef, but you could use other meats as well, like ground turkey or ground chicken or anything you like. Also, you could vary the veggies too. You could add green pepper or any other kind that you'd like. Now, after we put in the whole pound of ground beef to the mixture, we're going to season it with black pepper and seasoned salt and parsley. So once again, we're going to shake vigorously our parsley so that we get plenty of parsley onto the meat mixture. And remember, you could use fresh parsley as well. Next, you want to sprinkle the seasoned salt ever so carefully because the holes are rather large, and you just want to be generous but not salty. And then you want to finally wrap it up with a little sprinkle of pepper all over that. And then finally grab your trusty spoon and stir it up ever so gently so it doesn't pop out of the bowl, and make sure that that fresh ground beef is mixed thoroughly with all your veggies. And then you'll be all ready for the fridge.
Once again, I highly recommend using the Betty Crocker pie crust mix. This particular brand is perfect for this recipe. So all you need to do is follow the instructions on the back. So let's do it. Open the box. You cut open the edge. You pour in the mixture. Right. And then you use a fork to break up the clumps, like so.
The instructions on the back say 2 tablespoons of water and 2 teaspoons of water, but what I use is a 1/3 cup of water. So we'll just add this water to the mixture and stir it with a fork until all the dry ingredients are moist. And notice how it is not forming a ball? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it out onto the pastry cloth, and then from there I could form the ball of dough. So once the mixture is pretty much all moist, what you'll do is set it aside, and then get your trusty white flour out and just take a measuring cup to scoop it out. Sprinkle it on your pastry cloth, spread the flour around, and don't forget to get your fingers all floury. That way it won't stick to your hands. Scoop out the mixture onto the pastry cloth and try to get as much as you can out of the bowl. And once you pour it all out there, just squeeze it together like this. And then just start gently kneading it. You squeeze it together and fold it over and push. Squeeze it together and push. And you notice how, after working with the dough, that it gradually becomes into a ball. And you can combine all these other dry pieces together, and before long, you have a ball of dough. Voila! And now what you're going to do is add a little bit of flour to your hands. Oops, not that much. And you're going to roll it kind of like into a snake, a log. And that way you can make your portions. I'm going to use 4 equal portions. So you'll break it in half. Oops, that's not quite half, so we'll add a little bit over to the other side to make it approximately same size servings. And then you'll break this in half. And then you'll break the other section in half. Then you just kind of mold it like this into a nice flat ball. And by working with the dough this way, you're able to test the weight of each of the balls you're making. And you can pinch a little bit from one if it's a little too big, add it to another that feels a little bit lighter, and then just kind of work them through like so. Okay, once you feel like you have measured them out pretty equally, you set them aside. And then what you're going to do is sprinkle more flour onto your pastry cloth. And remember to get your both hands floury. And put flour on both sides of your ball of dough. Then take your rolling pin Be sure to add flour to that as well so it won't stick.
Roll it like that so it gets all over. That way it won't stick. And then you just kind of go back and forth like so. Flip it over and go back and forth like this. These guys are getting in my way, so I'm going to stick them over on this side. Go back and forth like this. And you just kind of want to make them a little bit big. If a piece comes off with like that, that's fine. You could add it to your next one, no problem. And what you want to work for is kind of a roundish and be kind of on the thin side, but not too thin. Okay, I think we're ready to add the mixture. After you roll out the dough, you want to take a scoop of your mixture and place it somewhere on your pasty. Now this is going to be folded over, so you kind of want to look at where would you like to put it.
And I think I'm going to add it on this side right here. And you're just going to scoop out the mixture to half of the side of your dough. Just kind of eye it up and see where the half mark is, estimate it. And what you'll want to do is at least have an inch border around your innards so that you have plenty of space to work with the dough. Take the knife and add a pat of butter to the other side. That way you won't contaminate the knife. And then I got this scraper from Pampered Chef, and it works wonders to help you get the dough up off the pastry cloth so that it doesn't tear. And you just kind of want to roll it over and gently squeeze, and then pull up the edges so that it seals all the innards into your pasty. And once you got it pretty much up and sealed, you want to take a fork and then you're going to crimp the edges like so. It adds a little decoration to it, and plus it seals it even more. And then poke it 3 times and you're done.
Now you'll want to line your baking sheet with parchment paper. That way it won't burn or stick. Once you put your paper on, you're ready to put the pasties on. To add it to the baking sheet, all you have to do is work it gently up,
flip it over, and place it gently onto the baking sheet that's been prepared with parchment paper. And then you'll want to set it aside and get your pastry cloth prepared for the next one. Just spread out the flour and begin again for your next pasty. As you can see, you can space them out on the baking sheet and leave a little gap in between each one.
Do you notice how you have some extra left over? Well, what you could do is take out 2 little casserole bowls. They're kind of Corelle, and then add a little bit of oil into each one. And you can spread it around with a paper towel so that you get the sides and the edges so that it's equally spread around and it won't stick. And then all you have to do is scoop out the rest of your pasty innards in there. You don't have to season it anymore, but that way you can cook this along with your pasties in the oven, and it'll be ready when everything else is. Just in case somebody doesn't like the crust, they can just have a bowl of the innards. Or if you have a big eater, they can eat this in addition to one pasty. Or you can also make another batch of crust and then use the rest of the innards on that. However you want to do it. And then you just cover these with aluminum foil, stick them in the oven, and you're ready to go.
Just before you finish making all your pasties, what you want to do is preheat your oven so that it's ready to go once you're done. So you set it on bake for 350 and get it going. Now that the oven is preheated, let's go ahead and stick in our pasties.
it in, so. And you could put it off to the side so that we can add our little innards. We made it off to the side. And then we'll set the timer for 1 hour. After the pasties are done, it's time to take them out. Let's take a look. Wow, they look fabulous. Look at that, perfect. The final ingredient is ketchup. You'll want to drizzle that all over your pasties so that you have ketchup in each bite. Well, I hope you've had a wonderful time making pasties with me today, and I hope they turned out really well. Have a great meal. Bye-bye.